Hi, welcome to Niji Spiral. I want to share with you my tips on my mistakes that I made after using Vroid for the last 2 years. Just as a quick introduction, it is 2024 and this is my new character I made with the stable version on Vroid. I decided to stop using the beta version because there was no more updates. I wanted the closed layers, so it encouraged me to move my character from beta to stable version. Now, let's move on to the tips. Tip number 1. First is to decide on which Vroid program to use. There is a stable version, which is the main program you'll find on the website, and there's a second version, which is a beta version. It was last updated 2021. I will explain briefly the difference with both programs. The stable version offers pre-made clothes, hair, and lets you layer the clothes, which is more user-friendly, and the program is also white. The beta version has more tutorials online, and you'll have to create everything from scratch, like the hair and the clothes design. The program is also a grey colour. The skin is also different on both programs. The stable version offers a white anime skin, while the beta offers a skin that has more of a shadow. Tip number 2. Don't add too much colour on your characters. You'll have issues with the green screen on some programs that you use. I've already done a no-no with this new character. Can you see it? It's my eyes! I'll tell you a secret. I love characters with green eyes and brown hair. Just like Ares from Final Fantasy VII and Sakura from Cardcaptor Sakura. My previous character looked like this. Her singlet had 5 different colors. Originally, I wanted her to represent a Japanese boy band called Arashi. Each of the 5 members had their own colors. It looked fantastic when I was designing it, although it was not very good when I decided to use a green screen, because I couldn't use either of the 5 colors on the singlet. When I used the green screen background, it would take out one of the colors, whether it was green. If I use yellow background, it will also take away the skin color, and it was very difficult. So when I created this new character, I decided to stick with 3 colors only, which is orange, white, and black. Depending on the programs that you use, VC Face is very good and you won't have any trouble with the colors or the green screen problem. Tip number 3. This is a tip for the stable version. Learn how to use the layers in the clothes. The best way to do it is to click on the pre-made clothes and then the texture. Then you can have a look at how they have laid each one of the clothes, whether it's from the jacket to putting a bow or a ribbon on it. It's very helpful. Tip number 4. Design your outfit. So then you have a rough idea of what you want. While you are designing your clothes, make sure you have your art program up as well as the Vroid Studio. When I was designing this, I was going back and forth on both programs. Then you can see what the design looks like or what the clothes looks like on your model. Tip number 5. Once you've added the clothes on your character, make sure you change the measurements as well. For example, with this jacket here, you can make the sleeves bigger or you make it smaller. You can also make the shoulders higher or lower. Tip number 6. If you like a certain design on the beta version or the stable version of Vroid, you can export the clothes or the skin that you like, and then you can import it into the other program that you're using. This helps when you want a certain texture or style of the clothes, and then you can edit it in your graphics program and then import it back into Vroid. Tip number 7. Do not use a hoodie. With my previous character, I used a hoodie. At first, I thought it was really cool, but when I used it with some certain programs, it hated it. You can see a picture right here. It just looked horrible. It had a lot of crease lines and I just hated it. With my previous character, I ended up creating a dress to use with some of the programs that didn't like the hoodie. In the last section, I'll leave you with a list of the Japanese translation of the clothes. that you see on Vroid. When you click on some of the textures, it will be in Japanese and not in English. So I hope the list over here helps you. I hope the tips help you with designing your Vroid character. And the best tip I can give you is make sure you have fun and make sure it's what you want and not what other people want. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!